alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we start again after a break. This is now the 21st video where they take we to another step again in web development. The first thing I want you understand, we don't get we functions them. One, this and the retrieve section, this other section now the save and the update twin one, this other section now the delete. That's good. Then another new thing again I want to introduce to now the grid view. This now the grid view. As you take a look at them, within the our database 1 2 3 records. If we come to the database exactly with our output now the grid view. The grid view they will make you manipulate your data in which they walk around and see and write from the front end. You no need for can or watch as a you a non-developer, you don't know how to develop application, how you will interface with your data without can all this procedure why they can cancel when you don't host them. Take a look at this Calbata Grassfield Funkia records when at 3 exactly the same one in you see. So if I want to update this Calbata record, I can say load from your Calbata record. I click I say load. If I automatically count the record for me, good. I say this not okay step. Last this is a grass field, not to Calbata. This grass field. I update them. No, not to I already get grass field. Last select which one again? No. Okay, let me say local housing. Now update them. Automatically update if we reflect now yeah. It's they no update local housing. But at the end of this video, you don't need for come here again and search updates load them for me. If I will exactly come from here, as you click edit, if I will load them for me. Click new, if I will make get access to under. Now see here now a partial view. You see this whole section a partial view as I've been explaining about partial view. Follow you understand. Look the barcode now. Now the partial videos column you don't see I get the underscore. Look at this what we see now here JSON. This whole section now you interface this and you code this and you frame this. So just call this partial view to the main view. After we don't get all the section, this one now in we call to the main view. Look the main view now here. You don't see now this we call grid view partial. But if follow we know this now here, we can start the next video where we'll come detail because we want to explain how to get this, then how for customize this one. Because by default, then code they are going for customizing. For really customizing. These are DevExpress GUI generating code Sierra. We don't want them code then column they will not need them. For now, if this visibility, let me say for then column they I want for cancel all this column, just walk around this one here and get them cancelled. But we see how they manipulate then column there. If I want for export, I want for do any other further manipulation. If I click this one, it will expand and do inline updates for me. Way another one than they not from them. Then updates when they give me. I want for create my own code. All these functions I would make and they become useful. If I can I say update if it updates for me. If I don't need local housing again. But the problem we then get sometimes it can be successful, sometimes e no dey successful. So no use that method, that approach wey I dey initially show, but rather for use the customized approach after the first approach to the second approach. Let me go into am and see proper one from the next video wey dey come. No forget for hit the like button and for subscribe to this platform. This will make you dey with we from this web to the mobile. Na so back we go for take mobile development step by step until we complete. After this, then all functions there, for manipulate them all, then we dey take a full project from start to finish, and we also teach how to host them and how to work around them. Before we take with mobile development, once again, as a tata owner, relax and wait for the next video.